Thinking of grabbing a deal from shop.upcentral.io? Hold on, before you place that order, you'll want to hear this. On the surface, the site looks pretty convincing, claiming to sell business VoIP phones, headsets, and accessories at unbeatable prices, all under the well-known Upcentral brand. But once you scratch beneath that polished exterior, the picture gets a little more complicated. While it's connected to Upcentral.io, this shop runs as a separate storefront, and that raises some questions. There's no About Us page, and the company details listed are vague at best. The app tied to the platform has very few downloads and strangely perfect ratings, which often signals fake reviews. On the bright side, they do provide real contact information, including a phone number, email, live chat, and even a physical address, which adds a layer of credibility. Their social media presence is active and regularly updated, which most scam sites completely neglect. However, they claim to work with major clients but offer zero proof to back it up. Trustpilot shows a 3.9-star rating from 27 users, a mix of praise and some concerning reviews about delivery delays and surprise auto-pay enrollments. So, is shop.upcentral.io a great find or another sketchy operation in disguise? The answer isn't black and white, but if you're thinking of buying, be cautious and do your own research before you trust them with your money.